It was a construction feat.
Sounds like it was more hard work than the key.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Another one?
No,
Oh,
throw that one on the floor, thanks. Bit more off.
That's good opening, Noah. Oh, wow. That is more excited than you.
Look at him go.
He's got it, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Yay!
Oh, look at the Oh, yeah.
Turn out your wallpaper.
Huh?
Now he's learnt to rip paper.
Oh. I don't think he's got any more
Keep your
paper.
post out of the way.
Yeah.
Oh, clever
Yay!
boy! You've got your present! What's that?
Oh. Get it out. Oh, wow.
Oh.
Oh.
More throwy things.
Oh.
Brilliant.
They don't come off.
I'll be doing this
There's
to
bits
show how.
inside of it.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
I think I can't wait to play. Look.
Oh.
Isn't that nice, Noah? Do you like birthday?
Oh, wow.
That's gorgeous.
That is. Oh, you can put it in and get it out again.
Yeah.
Aww.
Oh, no,
That's a
no.
nice
I'll get it out.
It's my toy, Daddy. I know how to do it.
I can unwrap, I can do it all.
That's it, play with the ball.
Just check there's nothing else in it, that's it. You always have to do that.
No things to throw around.
You can't wait to get at it. Look.
I know.
And he's run out of paper. Paper? Play with the paper.
You can post the paper into it instead, can't you?
Woo!
Tired, look at his eyes.
Now to Daddy. Thank you. Oh. Oh, what's that? Oh, look, it goes through here.
Look at the resemblance.
Oh, good boy.
Very nice. Oh, that's clever. He's pushing it through there. That's a start.
Through the top,
isn't it?
yeah.
Yeah, why not? Yeah, clever boy. Yeah.
Good
Good boy. That's lovely.
Oh.
Go for the easiest route,
Yeah.
Noah. I would.
Oh.
Let's try.
Go for the easiest route. Go on, the big.
top,
That's
yeah.
it. Look. Start simple and build up.
Oh.
Let's put it in the
Oh,
bag.
you want to put it in the bag, do you?
Put it in here then.
Oh, thank you.
Put it in there.
To push
Clever
it.
boy.
Good
That's
boy.
it. Good boy.
Come on, yeah, that's it. Oh,
It's exciting
They're
for
low,
you,
though.
Dad.
going again now. Push it in
That's
there.
it.
That's it. Yeah,
Go on.
push. Figure it out. And push it down a bit. Okay. La la la. Yeah.
That's it.
Yay.
That's quite
Oh,
long for her.
thank you.